Hello guys, today we are continuing our logic gate, and today we are going to talk about NOR gate. And NOR gate, we know it is a combination of NOT gate and OR gate. Okay, so NOT gate, it has two inputs and one output. It produces an output of 1 high or true only when all of its inputs are low, 0 or false. It is also the combination of an OR gate and OR gate, as I said earlier. Its output is the inverse of an OR gate output. So its output is an inverse of OR gate output. So if you didn't watch the video I made about OR gate, you can go and check, like, comment and share and learn from there. Then you come to the NOR gate for you to get a clear understanding. And it is also known as a universal gate. It is also known as a universal gate because it can be used to create all the logical gates. It can be used to create all the logical gates. And we know we have the basic gates, which are the OR gates, the AND gates, and which one again? We have the OR gate, we have the AND gate, and we have another one again. So here, the combination of basic gates, which is either OR gate or NOR gate, is called derived gate. So from NOR gate, we are getting into the derived gate. So now this is the symbol of the NOR gate. This is the symbol of the NOR gate. You can see it has two inputs and one output. So this thing here, like 0, it is as an inverter. It is serving as an inverter. That's why we said its output is the inverse of an OR gate output. So we will now go and watch, we will now go to the diagram. But now let's see the components needed for the wiring. We use start push button, 2 PCs, 8 pin, 14 pin, or 11 pin or blade relay. It can be either DC or voltage or AC. Sorry, it can be either DC voltage or AC voltage. We will use an indicator, but you can still use bulb if you have bulb, and a single pole breaker with a current rating of 6 amps or 2 amps. Now let's watch the diagram. So this is the wiring control diagram using push button, relay, or indicator. I made this diagram myself. So we have the lifeline here and the control breaker, which is F1, i.e. the indication here or the identifier here is fuse 1, F1, and it is MCB 6 amps. We have start push button 1, which is input 1, start push button 2, input B, which is input A. Then we have the relay 1, relay 2, and the neutral going to all the X1, all the X2 and the A2s. Then we have the indicator here, and here these are the contacts of the relays. Relay 1, the normally close of relay 1 is here, normally close of relay 2. So at this point, when input 1 is at 0, low or false, this bulb will light because the current flows from here. As soon as the two relays or hasn't been energized yet, the contact all will be closed like this, because when the relay is not energized, the contacts are not open, which means it is normally closed. It is normally closed at a normal state, like when you didn't power it. So this bulb will or the indicator will light because the current will flow from here and come here. The neutral is available there. But when we press or we give an input of 1 here by pressing the switch 1, the relay 1 will energize and the contacts will open by cutting the power coming to the indicator. The same thing applies to here. So this is how the diagram works. you can also study it by yourself, then you will see how it goes. Now let's demonstrate it. So first I will off my breaker first before we start. So I'll on my breaker. Already we said that if you didn't energize the relay, the lamp will be on. So at this stage my indicator is on. But when I give an input of 1, true or high, the lamp or the output will be 0. So let's go and see. So as I give an input of 1, which is input A1, the output is 0. You see, I'll give 1 as input, then 0 as an output. I'll do the same thing to S2. The same thing. Then you see that the second relay to energize. You see how it goes. So let me see if I give an input to an input in a way that all the 2 inputs, which is inputs A and B, are 1, what will happen? So if all the inputs are 1, the output will be 0. And if all the inputs are 0, the output will be 1. So we can see it here. So I nearly forget to tell you people about the truth table. So this is input A and B. When all the inputs are 0, the output will be 1. When any of the inputs are 1, the output will be 0. Any of the inputs, the same thing applies. And when all of them are also 1, then the output will also be 0 again. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you.